All right, hello. We're ready for these notes, 5.4 in the textbook. I'm on page 323. And the directions say, find the slope of the line that goes through these 2 points. And there's a formula for it. And the formula is on my wall. It's a pink poster up on the wall. And the formula says that m equals, and m is the letter in algebra that we use for slope. And you take y2 minus y1. Now that's not squared. That's like the second y minus the first y. That's what that means. y2 minus y1. Then you take that over the second x minus the first x. So looking above, this would be x1 comma y1. So my x1 is that 3, and my y1 would be that 6. Over here would be my second x, comma, my second y. So x2 would be that 6, and y2 would be that 9. So I need to plug everything into the formula. So I'm going to start down here. y2 minus y1. It would be this 9 minus that 6. So I'm going to write 9 minus 6. Second y minus first y. Then it would be the second x, which is this 6 minus the first x. So I write 6 minus 3. Now I just do some math. So it equals 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 3 is also 3. And we always reduce our fractions. What does 3 over 3 reduce to? And it's 1. So the slope of the line that goes through those 2 points up there in blue would be 1. My answer is 1. I'm going to look at number 4. Number 4, they give me a graph. And you see 2 highlighted points. I see this point right here is -2, -1. I'm going to write it down over here. -2, comma, -1. The other point that's highlighted, I'll circle it. Looks like it's over 4 up 2. 4, comma, 2. So there's my 2 points. So let's now use the slope formula. I'll write it again for you. M equals the second y minus the first y over the second x minus the first x. That means that my slope would equal this 2 minus this -1. Now be careful. Watch your signs. Watch how I write this. 2 minus -1. Now in a minute, you guys remember that 2 negatives in a row make a positive. So I'll fix that in a minute.
Please report to the office.
Then on the bottom, x minus x would be this 4 minus this -2. So 4 minus -2. And of course, 2 negatives in a row make a positive, so I'll do that like plus, plus, and plus, plus. So that's going to equal what? 2 plus 1 is 3. On the bottom, 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 over 6. When do you reduce your fraction? The answer is always. You always reduce your fractions. And 3 over 6 reduces to 1/2. So the slope of this red line over here would be 1/2. Again, that's called the slope formula. It's written on my wall with a pink poster. Make sure you find that when you come into class tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching.